Hi guys, good morning. I am Ram Krishna. In this session, I want to explain about the shortest distance between the cars. Okay, this is also important in point of mains as well as advance. Okay, now listen. The shortest distance lies along the common normal. This is very important. The shortest distance lies along the common normal. Now I am explaining this shortest distance with examples. Okay. Now listen. This is one example. Find the shortest distance between two parabolas y square equal to x minus 2 and x square equal to y minus 2. Now observe these two parabolas. The first parabola is y square equal to x minus 2. For that parabola, the vertex is 2, 0 and the length of the latest rectum is 1. And by observing this parabola x square equal to y minus 2, the vertex is 0, 2 and the length of the latest rectum is 1. Both has the same length of the latest rectum. Now observe the diagram. Here, this is the parabola y square equal to x minus 2 with vertex 2, 0 and this is the parabola x square equal to y minus 2 with vertex 0, 2. Both have the same latest rectum and both are same distance from the origin. That's why these two parabolas are symmetric about the line y equal to x. This is the line y equal to x. Now listen. What I said, the shortest distance lies along the common normal. Here, by observing these two parabolas, these are symmetric about the line y equal to x. For finding the shortest distance, now we have to draw two parallel tangents. These two tangents are parallel to the line y equal to x. What is the slope of the line? 1. That's why the slope of these two tangents are also equal to 1. Now, for finding the slope, differentiating equation of parabolas are first is y square equal to x minus 2, take this one as 1 and x square equal to y minus 2, take this as 2. Differentiating 1 and 2 are symmetric about y equal to x. Slope of 3 is equal to 1. Now these two tangents are parallel to this line 3. That's why differentiating 1 with respect to x on both sides, we are getting dy by dx, 2y into dy by dx, 2y into dy by dx equal to 1. From this one, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y, that is equal to 1. Why? Because this tangent is parallel to y equal to x. From this one, y equal to 1 by 2. By substituting y equal to 1 by 2 in 1, we are getting x equal to 1 by 4 plus 2, that equal to 9 by 4. Take this point of contact as P and this as Q. This is the common normal. Okay. This length is the shortest distance. For finding the shortest distance, we have to find the point P and Q. From this one, we got the point P as 9 by 4, 1 by 2. Now, by differentiating 2, with respect to x, we are getting dy by dx equal to 2x, dy by dx equal to 2x, that equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. By substituting x equal to 1 by 2 into 2, we get y equal to 9 by 4. Therefore, q equal to 1 by 2 comma 9 by 4. What I said, the shortest distance lies along the common normal. This is the common normal. Okay, this length PQ is the shortest distance. Therefore, shortest distance between curves is PQ, that equal to root over 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 4 whole square, that equal to root over, by taking 4 as LCM we are getting 9 minus 2, 7, 7 by 4, 49 by 16 plus here also 2 minus 9 minus 7 by 4 whole square, 49 by 16, that equal to 7 by 4 root 2 units. Okay, can you understood this one? Hi. We are going to example 2. Find the shortest distance between the line y minus x equal to 1 and the curve y square equal to x. What I said, the shortest distance lies along the common normal. Here, the line which is perpendicular to this one is the normal of that parabola y square equal to x. Now, the given line is y minus x equal to 1. Slope m equal to, what is the slope? 1. Okay. The parabola is the given parabola is y square equal to x. This is 2 and this is 1. So now observe this diagram. Y square equal to x is the parabola having vertex 0, 0 and the length of the lattice rectum 1. Here the line y minus x equal to 1. So the line is like this. Here x-intercept is negative and y-intercept is positive. So for finding the shortest distance, first of all we have to draw a line which is parallel to draw a tangent which is parallel to the line y minus x equal to 1. Suppose this is the point of contact P. The perpendicular distance from P to the given line is the shortest distance. So we have to find the point P. So this line is parallel to 1. So differentiating 2 with respect to x on both sides. Therefore 2y into dy by dx equal to 1. That implies dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. That is equal to 1. Why? Because the slope of the given line is 1. From this one we are getting y equal to 1 by 2. By substituting y equal to 1 by 2 into 2. From 2 by substituting y equal to 1 by 2 into 2, x equal to 1 by 4. Therefore px comma y equal to 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. This is the point P. The perpendicular distance from P to the given line is the shortest distance. Shortest distance between 1 and 2 equal to perpendicular distance from P 2 1. That equal to modulus of what is y? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by, this is 1 plus 1. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. That is the formula for perpendiculation. By simplifying this one, by taking 4 LCM, 2 minus 1, this is minus 4. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 root 2. 3 by 4 root 2. Once again, by taking 4 LCM, we are getting 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 4. Modulus of minus 3 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4 root 2 units. This is the shortest distance between the line and the curve. We are going to example 3. Find the shortest distance between the parabolas y square equal to 4x and y square equal to 2x minus 6. Now, listen. What I said in the previous sums, the shortest distance lies along the common normal. Now, we have to find the equations of the normals to both 1 and 2 equations. After that, we have to compare. So, what we said, the normal is common to both. Let m be the slope of the normal. Equation of parabolas are y square equal to 4x, this is 1, and y square equal to 2 into x minus 3, this is 2, 1 and 2. Actually, the curve 1, the parabola 1 is in the standard form y square equal to 4ax. Here 4a equal to 4, that implies a equal to 1. Here 4a equal to 2, a equal to 1 by 2. And here vertex h comma k, equal to 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. Let m be the slope of the common normal. Let m be the slope of common normal. Therefore, first of all, observe the diagram. This is the parabola y square equal to 4x, and this is the parabola y square equal to 2x minus 6. So, here suppose this is the common normal. The length PQ, let it be P and let it be Q. PQ be the length of the common normal. From 1, P equal to am square comma minus 2am. What is a here? 1. So m square comma minus 2m is the point of contact P. Equation of normal to 1 is, if m is the slope of the normal, then the equation of the normal is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. That is y equal to mx. What is a here? 1 minus 2m minus m cube. This is, take this one as 3. So q equal to h plus am square comma k minus 2am. That equal to, what is h here? 3. 3 plus am square. What is a here? 1 by 2. M square by 2. Comma, what is k? 0 minus 2 into a. A is 1 by 2 minus m. This is the point q. Equation of normal to 2. Equation of normal to 2 is y minus k. Actually, this is the equation of normal for the standard form, but here it has the vertex h comma k. That's why the equation of normal is y minus k equal to m into x minus h minus 2am minus am cube. So y equal to m into x minus 3. What is a 1 by 2 na? So that's why minus m minus m cube by 2. So that equal to mx minus 4m minus m cube by 2. Here this is the equation of the normal to parabola 1 and this is the equation of normal to parabola 2. So both normals are same. Why? Because for finding the shortest distance lies along the common normal. The normal is common. That's why we have to compare both the normals. By comparing 3 and 4, comparing 3 and 4, 1 equal to here 2m plus m cube by 4m plus m cube by 2. After cross multiplication we are getting 4m plus m cube by 2 equal to 2m plus m cube. From this one 2m equal to m cube minus m cube by 2, m cube by 2. From this one m cube equal to 4m, m equal to 0 or plus or minus 2, we have to take 2 only. Now by taking m equal to 2, the point p equal to m square comma minus 2m, that equal to 4 comma minus 4, and q equal to 3 plus m square by 2 comma minus m, that equal to 3 plus this 4 by 2 to 5 comma minus 2. Therefore shortest distance between 1 and 2 equal to PQ. Why? Because it lies along the common normal. That equal to root over 4 minus 5 whole square plus minus 4 plus 2 whole square. That equal to 1 plus 4. That equal to root 5 units. Okay na? Now we are going into example 4. Find the shortest distance between the curves y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square minus 12x plus 31 equal to 0. Now observe, this is the parabola and that is the circle. Okay. So what I said, the shortest distance lies along the common normal. That means the normal is both to parabola and the circle. According to the circle, the normal of the circle always passes through the center of the circle. That is very important point here. Now listen. Equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. Equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 12x plus 31 equal to 0. Take this one as 2. Here center C equal to 6 comma 0, radius r equal to root over 36 minus 31, that equal to root 5. This is the radius of the circle. Now observe this diagram. So the parabola is y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola, and this is the circle. This is the center C. This is the point P, point of contact of the tangent. Suppose if m is the slope of the normal to 1, if m is the slope of normal to 1, therefore from the diagram P equal to am square comma minus 2am. Here what is a? 4a equal to 4, that implies a equal to 1, that is m square comma minus 2m, that is the point P. So this is the normal of the circle passes through the center of the circle. So we know the point C. Suppose when we find the point P, then this distance is the shortest distance. This is the radius r. CP minus r is the shortest distance between the parabola and the circle. For finding the shortest distance, now we have to find the point P. If m is the slope of the normal, slope m equal to here we know the point as 6, 0. This is m square minus 2m. Actually this is the slope of CPM, but by using these two points, the slope is difference of the y coordinates by 0 minus or minus plus 2m by 6 minus m square. You catch my point? Here m is the slope of the normal. We can take that one as m. But according to these 2 points, this is the slope. That's why I can equate these 2 slopes. By cross multiplication, we are getting 6m minus m cube equal to 2m. From this one, m cube equal to 4m. From this one, m equal to 0 or m equal to plus or minus 2. But by taking m equal to 2, the point P equal to, if m equal to 2, the point P equal, what is P? M square 4 comma minus 2m, minus 4 is the point P. The shortest distance is nothing but Cp minus R. So shortest distance between 1 and 2 equal to Cp minus R. What is Cp? Root over 6 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus or minus plus 4 whole square minus what is R? Root 5. This is 4 plus 16, 20. 20 is nothing but 2 root 5. 2 root 5 minus root 5, that equal to root 5 units. Okay, these are few examples about shortest distance between the curves. Thank you.